Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a Diecast Simulation Naked bike with sound, lights and pullback action, which is a 114 scale Diecast motorcycle model manufactured by Classic Moto. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing Diecast motorcycle model. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the boxing as always. This pullback diecast race motorcycle model comes in a window type box which looks quite unique and sturdy to begin with. So as you can see on the bottom, you will see the Classic Moto branding alongside the MY66 high speed model branding. And on this top corner of the packaging, you will see the Ming Ying 66 branding. And on the top, you will see a diecast model write-up alongside the scale of this model, which in this case, it's stated that this is a 112 scale, wherein this is actually a 114 scale based on its dimensions, which is also mentioned on the side of the packaging. And on this side of the box, you will see the R1 Moto model branding with a few visual features, which is pretty much the same on the back of the box and on the other side of the box as well. And finally, on the bottom of the box, you will find quite a bit of legal information regarding this diecast model, so kindly pause if you want to take a read. So with no further ado, let's get this open. So before we begin, I just want to let you know that this particular model is available in two color variants, which is the metallic blue and the metallic red, which is the one I've got. And I also want to let you know that I've done an exclusive unbox and review of a race bike variant manufactured by the same company. And I should admit that's a super cool episode. And in case you missed it, I'll drop the link in the description below. So go check it out and let me know which one of these diecast pullback motorcycle models are your favorite. And so, with that out of the way, my first thoughts about this diecast simulation motorcycle model is that it has quite a sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic with some good details which are amazing for a pullback motorcycle model. And after a hands-on feel for it, I should admit that this model looks quite amazing. And the sculpt, the detail and finish on this model is quite mind-blowing and sure will make a good addition to your collection. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this diecast pullback naked motorcycle model comes with a black chassis with a metallic red color scheme which is prominent all throughout this model, along with some minimalistic branding. This replica comes with a black steerable front fork that contrasts with the rest of the color theme, and this model also comes with a well-detailed headlight which actually lights up, which we will get to in a bit. And this unit flows into a handlebar with a pair of rear view mirrors, hand grips and a pair of clutch and brake levers which are in black as well. And moving down is a black front fender that wraps around a beautiful metallic silver alloy style wheel and a massive rubber tire with a double disc brake unit which is in silver. And moving on to the midsection, this fuel tank is well sculpted and painted in metallic red with the Kaiser motorcycle branding on it, which is in black and white. The tank also comes with a fuel tank cap which seamlessly flow together as a single unit. And moving down to the heart of this ride lies a beautiful and well-detailed engine sculpt which is in black and wrapped around by a roll bar painted in metallic red, which gives me those signature Ducati monster vibes. And this touch adds some good detail overall, and this model comes with a dual underseat exhaust which is in silver and black, with the rest of the midsection components in black as well. And talking about the seat, it's a single seat which is in black that houses the battery and the release clip for the sound and lights, which we will get to in a bit. And this unit flows into a well sculpted tailpiece. And the rear wheel setup, unlike the front, comes with a single side swing arm along with the chain and sprocket unit with a massive rubber tire and a single disc brake unit which is in silver. And just so you know, the rear wheel setup comes with quite a bit of suspension unlike the front, which is rigid, and also used as a trigger to start up the sound and lights on this model. And this model comes with free rolling wheels and has a pair of pullback wheels which serves a dual purpose, which you could use the pullback mechanism with or use as a stand in case you want to display it. And as far as the specs go, this diecast model measures in at 5.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height and 3 inches in width, which is an inch bigger than the standard 118 scales. And this model weighs in approximately at about 150 grams, which is 40 grams heavier than the standard 118 scale diecast motorcycle. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at the main highlights and features of this diecast model. And with that out of the way, let's place Maestro's official 118 scale Ducati Monster 1200S replica side by side and check out the size comparison. So let's go ahead and take a look. Well, by the looks of it, all I can say is that this is a beautiful and well-detailed monster of a diecast pullback motorcycle. And I'm glad I got this model to add to my diecast motorcycle collection. And this is a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a simulation toy enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications and the Best Buy link for this diecast motorcycle model in the description below. And with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed pullback diecast naked motorcycle model on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors, and this diecast pullback motorcycle model gets a massive thumbs up from me for its looks as well as for its functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast model on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on pullback motos coming up. A pullback moto is a clockwork moto used in toy cars. A patent for them was granted to Bertrand Fred Francis in 1952 as a keyless clockwork moto. Pulling the car backward, hence the name, winds up an internal spiral spring, a flat spiral rather than a helical coiled spring. When released, the car is propelled forward by the spring. When the spring has unwound and the car is moving, the motor is disengaged by a clutch or a ratchet and the car then rolls freely onward. Often the clutch mechanism is geared so that the pullback distance needed to wind the spring is less than that of the distance the spring is engaged propelling forward. Most of these cars are otherwise free rolling. Winding them up requires them to be pushed downwards, engaging the clutch, as a motor is only engaged by winding while held down. A complete winding must be completed in one pass, unlike the flywheel motor. Some motors have an internal one-way clutch that allows winding with a back and forth motion. And for further information on pullback motors, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing pullback diecast motorcycle model, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing diecast pullback model. And kindly subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned for some cool and one-of-a-kind diecast episodes coming up. So stay tuned and don't miss out. And please continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, as it would help us out a lot. And in case you missed out on our previous episodes, please go check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes and a lot more fun stuff in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this diecast motorcycle episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also, do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new diecast motorcycle episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.